I try to get them apart, and you turn them like this, and they don't want to unscrew. And the problem is, on the end of this, there's a nut. It's inside under this cover. And the tension is really tight. You can't pull it down. So you need to have a shock compressor. Well, here's the compressor that I came up with. And this 2x4 fits nicely into the vise. Okay, so let's compress this thing. What we do now is we start screwing these down little by little. And break it loose with a screwdriver. This top part just unscrews. Okay, there's one piece. This will unscrew. Okay, now we can let the tension off.